Krishna.
What is your name?
Ananya.
Ananya. Your name Ananya.
Akshaya.
Akshaya. ISKCON good, no?
Yeah.
Every Sunday coming, no?
Yeah.
Why coming?
To listen to the class.
Come here. We are coming. ISKCON.
To listen to the class.
Why? Every Sunday why? Coming, no?
Yeah.
Why coming?
To listen to the class and
Yeah,
pray to
to
Lord
learn.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna concession, Prasadam,
It was
Kirtanam.
nice.
Yeah. Where?
Today's prasad was
Yeah.
nice.
Where? You too. Come.
Tell how was
And
how was
how
it?
was the prasadam?
Prasadam not today. Hey, not nice. Yeah, only.
Nice.
Two hand. Two hand, sir.
Nice.
No. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, only. Hare Krishna. Tell Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna
Hare
Krishna. Hare Hare.
Krishna,
Hare Ram. Hare Ram. Ram Ram.
Hare
Hare. Tell.
She doesn't know.
See them? Hare.
Last week only she came.
Okay.
New.
Your friend? New friend?
She couldn't come. She had
Coming, not coming.
Coming. But
coming,
Coming,
but
huh?
today homework.
Okay, today homework Sunday. Okay, you tell.
Yeah,
Hare
homework is
Krishna.
standard. Unlike
Video, see video, see Hare Krishna too. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.